Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 174. This is the 20th of February 2023, a Monday. So on this day, I did exercise 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 6-minute jog, and then I had an ACA session. I did work on insurance and worked on books, and then also worked on the Remote Wellness Academy. So a very busy day, and I'm grateful. I'm grateful for all the people who work in the transportation industry. Two of my daughters came back from a trip. I'm glad that they came back safe. Grateful for all the people who work at the airport, the security, the pilots, the flight attendants, the ticketing agents, everybody involved with that. I'm very grateful for. So that's it for day 174. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.